Sonic the Hedgehog characters in real life, let's see what they would look like. SPO in real life is definitely a chameleon. Cream the rabbit. Not only possessing a sweet appearance, she's also very kind and well-behaved. What about Bark? He's a polar bear in the real-life version. The next character is Amy Rose. So adorable. Vector the crocodile, a leader that has a cool head even in the most difficult situations. Tails in real life is the red fox. Chami, a hard-working bee. Is she your favorite character? Zui, Tails' beautiful girlfriend. Here Sonic is. What do you think about this version? So fantastic! Can you guess who the next character will be? Yeah, it's Rotor the walrus. Styx the badger. You see, all the characters from Sonic the Hedgehog are very cute animals in real life. If you wanna see a lot more cartoon characters in real life, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel.